Given the price of gasoline, it's important to get the most out of every tankful you use. But gasoline contains additives that can create deposits inside your engine, reducing its efficiency and impairing its drivability. Toyota Genuine Complete Fuel System Cleaner removes buildup from your Toyota engine to help restore lost performance. Toyota Genuine Complete Fuel System Cleaner can help address drivability concerns such as engine hesitation, lack of performance, and abnormal fuel consumption. If no issues are present, Toyota suggests using the Toyota Genuine Complete Fuel System Cleaner every 6 months or 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. To help keep your Toyota running at its best, ask your service advisor to include the Toyota Genuine Complete Fuel System Cleaner as part of your routine maintenance. Details make the difference. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.